Welcome back to another walk around video at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at pre-owned certified 2021 Chrysler Grand Caravan SXT that we have here in stock in white color. This van seats up to 7 passengers, has front wheel drive, equipped with 3.6 liter V6 naturally aspirated engine, automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 287 horsepower. Exterior features at the front including pre-collision sensor. Also on the side here, 17-inch wheels with alloy rims, marker lights, body colored door handles with keyless entry for both driver and passenger doors. Privacy rear glass with chrome molding around it. Here's our key fob. It has remote starter from the factory, power liftgate release, and power rear doors. And here's our exterior mirrors. Let's get inside. Mirrors are heated. We see the indicator on them. Driver's door is equipped with the speaker, bottle holder storage compartment, power windows with auto up and down for driver and front passenger, power doors, window lock, power side mirror adjustment. On the left side of the dash we can find light switches and brightness adjustment for driver's display. In front of the driver, 3-spoke steering wheel, and behind the driver, informational gauge cluster. On the steering wheel, we can find controls for the gauge cluster, hands-free button, voice assistant. On the right side, cruise control buttons. Push button start in the center, multimedia touch screen with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, radio, Sirius XM, phone connectivity, and general settings. Here's 2 air vents, gear shifter knob, electronic parking brake, dual automatic climate control, also with our rear passengers have their own automatic climate control, engine start stop off button, traction control off, front windshield de-icer, rear window defroster. And down below we can find plenty of USB charging ports and auxiliary input. Right here, big storage compartment with cutouts for the wiring for the phones, 12-volt connector, another big storage, 4 cup holders, locking glove box, independent armrest for driver and front passenger, convenient handle for the front passenger, rear view mirror, a rear passenger mirror, storage for glasses, map lights for driver and front passenger, and power doors with the powered lift gate. Sun visor has integrated mirror and lights. Seats in this Grand Caravan made of black fabric with leather-like material on the armrests. Here's our headrests, and driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 4-way power lumbar support. Front passenger seat is manually adjustable. Let's look at the rear passenger area. Just press this button to open the door. Convenient handle to get in. Captain chairs type 2nd row sitting with independent armrests as well. Here's our automatic climate control for rear passengers. And just flip the switch to move the chair to get access for 3rd row sitting. And 3rd row passengers have their air vents, also cup holders. At the back, shark fin roof integrated antenna, a rear spoiler with high-mounted stop light, privacy rear glass with tint, Chrysler Grand Caravan badges, backup camera, and 2 LED lights. Press this button here to open the lift gate and getting access to cargo area, where we also can find 12-volt connector. And here's the cargo area with the 3rd row sitting up, and that's an instruction how to fold everything and remove the seats. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned and certified 2021 Chrysler Grand Caravan SXT that we have here in stock. This van seats up to 7 passengers, have 3-zone automatic climate control, touch screen with the Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plenty of USB charging ports, power adjustable driver's seat with 4-way power lumbar support and other great features. Stop by to take this Chrysler for a test drive. We are located at 137 Avenue and St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.